In this video, I'll show you how to change an oven light bulb that has a wire across it. You'll see what I mean when I clear everything out of the oven. Here in the back at the top right, you'll see there's a wire over the glass cover. This is actually just a retaining clip, and all I have to do is slide it to the side. The tension from this clip is all that's holding the glass cover in place, so keep pressure on the cover to keep it from falling off. In this oven, the bulb twists out just like most bulbs around my house, but newer ovens might use a different type of light. And here are the appliance bulbs I'm using today. They're 40 watt, and I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. Now just twist the new bulb in. Oh, and I accidentally knocked off the retaining clip, but I'll deal with that later. Okay, this is too bright for my camera, so I'm going to tape the light switch so you can actually see me finish what I'm doing. At this point, I'll just insert the ends of the retaining clip into the two holes in the back of the oven. Now, hold the glass cover over the light bulb and slide the metal clip over the top. And that's how you replace a light bulb in an oven. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.